When it comes to window restoration, control is everything. After gently softening the glazing with the Speedheater Cobra, the putty is ready to release. And that's where the Speedheater Chisel with roller truly shines. The built-in roller glides smoothly across the glass surface, providing steady guidance and consistent pressure. That means no digging, no gouging, and no unnecessary stress on the sash. Instead of fighting brittle putty, you're guiding it away, cleanly, efficiently, and with precision. The angled chisel edge allows you to stay tight to the glass while maintaining full control, even along delicate muntins and detailed profiles. This tool transforms a traditionally frustrating step into a smooth, manageable process, helping you preserve historic woodwork while working faster and safer. Better control, cleaner results, smarter restoration. Find out more by visiting our website,